Now, how to find out the midpoint of a line segment? What do we mean by a midpoint? We can understand it like a point which is lying in middle. In this figure, we can say these two figures are at 10 units apart. So, the midpoint in between will be 5 units towards in both the cases. If the line segments are vertical or horizontal, you may find the midpoints by simply dividing the length of the line segment by 2 and counting that value from either of the endpoints. Likewise, here there are 2 points A and B, or we have a segment AB. Coordinates of A are -3, 4 and coordinates of B are 5, 4. And midpoints we find it as 1, 4. For another line segment which is CD, the point lying in middle of the C and D is at 1.5. So, coordinates of the point will be 2, 1.5. To find the coordinates of the midpoints of a segment when the lines are diagonal, we need to find the average of the coordinates of the midpoint. The midpoint formula in that case is when endpoints are x1, y1 and x2, y2, then coordinates will be x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Using midpoint, we can also find the centroid of a triangle. We know centroid is the intersecting point of the medians of a triangle, and median is the line segment which divides the line in between, or say which intersect the opposite side of a triangle at midpoint. In this case, there is a triangle having vertices as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. If we find out the coordinates of D, that will be x2 plus x3 upon 2 and y2 plus y3 upon 2. In the same way, coordinate for E will be x1 plus x3 upon 2, y1 plus y3 upon 2 and F as x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now, we know that G always divides AD in the ratio 2, 1. Consider points L, M, N dividing AD, BE and CF respectively in the ratio 2, 1. We find out the coordinates of L in this case as x1 plus 2, x2 plus x3 upon 2 divided by 1 plus 2 and y1 plus 2, y2 plus y3 upon 2 divided by 1 plus 2. In the same way, we can find out the coordinates of M and N, where M will be x2 plus 2 x1 plus x3 upon 2 divided by 1 plus 2 and y2 plus 2 into y1 plus y3 upon 2 upon 1 plus 2. N will be x3 plus 2 x1 plus x2 upon 2 divided by 1 plus 2 and y3 plus 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2 divided by 1 plus 2. In all the cases, after simplification, we find out the coordinates of L, M and N. In each case, it is x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. And these overlapping points L, M, N, we can say that is the centroid of the triangle, which is represented by G. Dear learners, we hope you have enjoyed to learn about lines and angles. For more informations, you may log in to our site www.mooc.nios.ac.in. You can also mail to aomaths@nios.ac.in.